Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel Zareen Recipe World. So first we are gonna marinate the chicken, and for the chicken popcorn I have took this chicken breast boneless and adding that black pepper powder, and this is an onion powder. It become little clumsy because of the rainy season, so no problem, when we mix it, it will be gonna mix properly. After that we are going to add garlic powder, not more than 1 teaspoon. And then I'm going to add vinegar, and vinegar also like half teaspoon we will gonna add, and salt to taste. We'll mix it all together and we'll marinate it for 1 hour. So this is the potato which I have peeled and chopped it like this. You can see the thickness of the potatoes here. So I'm gonna boil these potatoes in hot water. So added salt in that water, and I'm gonna add that chopped potatoes and let it boil till it done. So meanwhile potatoes are boiling, we are going to ready the spices which we are going to dip the chicken in that. So here the coating is like I have took refined flour and little corn flour. So if you are taking refined flour 1 cup, so you can take this corn flour 1/4 cup. And we'll add some paprika in that. Again little garlic powder and onion powder. So basically we are making that Kentucky powder. If you are having that ready, so you can just take that, otherwise you can just make it at home while adding all these ingredients which I'm adding. And we'll add black pepper powder in that and salt to taste, and mix it well together and keep aside. After that we'll coat this mixture on our chicken properly, and then we'll deep fry the chicken in a hot oil. So here the potatoes are ready. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mash the potatoes while it is hot. So here this is the potato, you can see it's very hot. You can just mash the potato with the help of the fork. So while it's hot, I'm adding cheese cubes and cheese slices in it, because I was running short on the cheese cubes, so I added the cheese slices also, and adding salt to taste and black pepper powder. And after that I'm gonna add some milk in this and mix well and keep aside. So now it's marinated for 1 hour. So I'm adding half egg. So just beaten the 1 egg and added half of it. So here this is the coating which I already shared with you, the ingredients and all which we have mixed before. So adding the chicken pieces in that and coating it properly nicely. So here you can see how I coated the chicken pieces. It should coat it like this only, and you have to deep fry the chicken pieces in hot oil. So just don't cover it with the lid, because if you'll cover it with the lid now, so it will become soggy and it will not become crispy. So you have to just fry the chicken in an open pan only. So this was the tip of the day. So here the chicken is ready, nicely crispy and brown. So what we do, we will assemble our chicken bowl. So here this is I'm adding in a bowl mashed potatoes, a layer of mashed potatoes, and adding the chicken pieces on this. And again I'm adding a layer of that mashed potato nicely. Just add potatoes with loads of potatoes in it, and after that you will just even the surface of the mashed potato. Just add more chicken pieces on top of it, and boiled corn is added specially in this loaded mashed potato bowls. So here adding some of the boiled corns, and again the chicken pieces. If you wish, you can just cut chicken pieces into two, otherwise it's almost like small pieces, so not going to need it to cut into two. So here this was the cheese sauce which I have prepared by adding the cheese slices and just milk and little ketchup on top of it and sriracha sauce. And this was the mayonnaise, so just added the mayonnaise also, and you can see how yummy and how tasty it was looking. And yes, it was tasted yummy too. So here my chicken loaded bowl is ready to serve. Hope you all have loved my recipes and enjoyed watching it. Do share my recipes and follow me, and don't forget to tag me on Instagram. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.